Various folks from all over the city have been reporting strange lights in the sky. Unidentified flying objects have been sighted as far as 30 miles outside of the city limits. Those who have witnessed the encounters have also acknowledged the malfunctioning of electronic devices.
This is Andrew Trustworthy reporting for Blitz 7 News in Opportunity Live. We are not sure what is happening, but there's a thing hovering about the transport sector. It looks like a aircraft, but we're not exactly sure. People are panicking, running, they're scampering for cover. We're not sure this is a threat to the island. The craft has landed. Ladies and gentlemen, something is emerging. Something is emerging.
I'm so blitzolious, larger than life. Awa, you guys' rides are fabulous, but my ride is so blitzolious. We're ahead of time.
Get noticed, make it count. Get your website fast, speedy, and ahead of time with 5dayexpress.com.